Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Saurabh's classes. This is Chenu Thakur, and we are solving this paper, PUBDET PSPA. And in this video, I'm going to solve the basic English part, the basic English section. We have already resolved some more section, and that video is already uploaded. So, अगर आपने वो videos नहीं देखे हैं, तो you can check out those videos first. And now, I'm going to start this paper with question number 26. So, till 25, I have already solve that paper. Okay, fill in the blank with the appropriate pair of words. This is the like most common questions which has come in your this paper. और दो तीन questions आया था similarly pair of words वाला. In this 26 they are asking about he dashed the responsibility to dash the cause of India in the world. So this is very easy. Okay, so we have two similar kind of options A and C. Took up championing and took up champion. So he took up. Took up is a final word. So this is the final word, took up. The responsibility of championing or the champion. As you know, championing is connected with the continuous and continuous tense. That should be perfect continuous, that should be present continuous, that should be past continuous. But here is no more sign for that. So champion is the right option. Okay. Next question, question number 27. Which among the following is the full form of WWF? That is not WWE, so don't be confused, okay? So World's Women Fund, World Wrestling Fund, World Wildlife Fund, or World Workers Fund. So this right answer is World Wildlife Fund, okay? Next, move on with question number 28. Choose the appropriate word to complete the sequence. Horse, bridle, dog, dash. So bridle or bridle. Horse, when we see horse, they had that system no कि वो पूरा उसके पास होता है bridle, ठीक है, जहां से हम horse को control कर सकते हैं, एक part होता है. So dog has the what? Halter, rope, noose or leash. So leash is the right answer. Absolutely. You can see the pictures also कि वहां पर भी ये word आपको दिखाई देगा. Choose the word that is nearest in meaning of haphazard. So haphazard is no, that the condition or the where you will see everything is like chaotic conditions. So this is similarly like chaotic is the right answer. Unruly is not right. Dirty cannot be. Aberration cannot be. So these are not right. So chaotic is the only option which goes with the nearest meaning of haphazard. Choose the word which is opposite to meaning of arid. This is common word. We have used this word so many times. Even when we read about geography, the similar word is there also. Okay. So arid zone and wet zone. Remember? So which is the opposite word? Wet, fertile, drought or dry. Dry could be, but dry is the synonym. And they're asking about opposite. So wet is the right answer. Okay. Let's move on with question number 31. Now they're asking about, okay, synonym. Synonym of sustain. This is also a common word. We have using this word since so many times. Sustain. So we have option contain, detain, abstain, and maintain. So sustain when we are in positions to maintain everything. So this is the right synonym, maintain. Okay. Next question is question number 32. I shall almost be dash on the street and have to dash a piece of bread from door to door. अब जो ये वाला सेक्शन है, अगर हम लोगों को उतना इंग्लिश नहीं आता है तब भी ये पेपर बहुत आसान है. ठीक है. I shall almost be dash on the street. मैं एकदम गलियों में था. And have to dash a piece. अगर मुझे मांगना पड़ा तो क्या मुझे ask होगा? क्या मुझे किसी से कोई चीज पूछना था? क्या मुझे कोशिश करना था? या मुझे बस वो करना ही था? सो बेग, मुझे मांगना पड़ा. बेग तो हम इस वर्ड से भी इसे कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. सो आई शैल ऑलमोस्ट टर्न आउट एंड बेग फॉर अ पीस ऑफ ब्रेड फ्रॉम डोर टू डोर. दरवाजे पर जा जाकर मुझे खाना मांगना पड़ा. सिलेक्ट द वर्ड विच इज सिनोनियम विद एलियन. एलियन वर्ड से कनेक्टेड जो सिनोनियम है. सिनोनियम इन हिंदी समानार्थी, which means similar kind of, right? So alien, it's creature, monster, foreign or hidden. So alien is not hidden, we can say, because our scientists have given so much evidence that they met with alien or they saw aliens. So alien is not hidden now. Monster, it's not a right word to use for them. So foreign, absolutely not. But creature, yes, we can use the creature word as the synonym with alien. Choose the word that can correctly replace both the italicized word in the following sentence. Okay. His gift was beautiful and precious. Okay. She committed a grave mistake. Okay. So